Have you ever wondered if you're on the path to wealth? We all have dreams of financial success, but what sets the wealthy apart? It's not always a matter of birthright or sheer luck. Sometimes it's the subtle signs, the behaviors and mindsets that indicate a trajectory towards wealth. Imagine wealth as a destination and these signs as your compass, guiding you on your journey. Recognizing these signs in your life can be a powerful affirmation that you're on the right track, that you're making choices and cultivating habits that could lead you to financial success. It's not about instant riches or the promise of a lottery win. It's about aligning yourself with the behaviors that many self-made millionaires exhibit, the signs that they are on the path to wealth. So, are you ready to discover if the universe is giving you a thumbs up? Let's dive into the 11 signs that money might be coming your way. Sign 1. Questioning the status quo. Are you someone who tends to march to the beat of your own drum? Perhaps you've been called a maverick or a nonconformist. This is a powerful trait when it comes to wealth creation. Why? Because those who question the status quo tend to see opportunities where others don't. They're not bound by conventional wisdom that says, this is how it's always been done. They're willing to take calculated risks, to venture into uncharted territory, and to seize opportunities that others might overlook. And often, this leads to significant financial rewards. Sign 2. Believing money solves problems. Now, we've all heard the saying, money can't buy happiness. And while it's true that money itself can't make you happy, it does solve a lot of problems. The reality is, money is essential for meeting basic needs like food, shelter, and healthcare. It also enables the pursuit of happiness by giving you the freedom to do what you love and the means to support causes you care about. So if you understand the importance of money and see it as a tool rather than a source of stress, you're already ahead of many on the journey to financial independence. Sign 3. Setting and pursuing financial goals. Dreaming about wealth is one thing, but actively working towards specific financial goals is another. It's the difference between hoping for success and making it happen. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, investing in your education, or starting your own business, setting clear financial goals gives you a roadmap to follow. And pursuing those goals, even when it's challenging, is a critical step towards wealth. You're not just dreaming, you're actively working towards specific financial goals, a critical step towards wealth. Sign 4. Acting swiftly. In the world of finance and wealth creation, time is of the essence. The ability to act swiftly on potential ventures is a trait that many financially successful individuals share. You see, money loves speed. It gravitates towards those who can recognize a golden opportunity and seize it without hesitation. This doesn't mean rushing into decisions blindly. Rather, it's about having the courage to act decisively when you've done your homework and the odds are in your favor. This kind of swift action can be the difference between a missed opportunity and a lucrative investment. Sign 5. Not comparing yourself to others. We live in a society that's obsessed with comparison. Social media often amplifies this, tempting us to measure our progress against others. But here's the thing. Wealth is not a competition. It's a personal journey and everyone's path is unique. Focusing on your own journey, your own goals, and your own progress is key. It keeps you motivated, prevents unnecessary distractions, and allows you to celebrate your victories, no matter how big or small. Remember, the only person you should strive to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Sign 6. Overcoming obstacles. Let's face it, the road to wealth is rarely smooth. There will be challenges, setbacks, and failures along the way. But how you respond to these obstacles can be a game changer. Instead of seeing them as roadblocks, successful individuals view challenges as opportunities for growth. They understand that every setback is a setup for a comeback, and every failure brings in valuable lessons. By pushing through setbacks with resilience and tenacity, they turn obstacles into stepping stones on their path to financial success. Remember, these signs are not guarantees of wealth, but they are indicators that you're on the right track. It's about developing the right mindset and adopting the right habits that can set you up for financial success. Embrace these traits, and you could be well on your way to a prosperous future. Sign 7. Buying assets over liabilities. The wealthy understand the importance of investing in assets, things that appreciate in value or generate income. This could be real estate, stocks, or even a side business. Conversely, they steer clear of liabilities, items that quickly lose value or cost money to maintain, like luxury cars or the latest tech gadgets. The key here is to make money work for you, rather than you working for it. By buying assets over liabilities, you're investing in your financial future, which is a clear indicator that money is coming your way. Sign 8. Investing in the future. Financial success isn't about quick wins or short-term gains. It's about playing the long game, focusing on investments that promise substantial growth over time. This mindset requires patience and discipline, but the potential rewards are worth it. Whether it's investing in a retirement fund, purchasing property, or starting a business, these are all indications that you're planting seeds for a prosperous future. Sign 9. Commitment to learning. Lifelong learning is a common trait among the financially successful. Why? Because the world is always changing, and so are the ways to make money. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to constantly expand your knowledge and skills. This could mean reading books, attending seminars, or even going back to school. By staying adaptable and innovative, you're positioning yourself to seize new opportunities and thrive in an ever-evolving economy. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom, options, and the ability to live life on your terms. Sign 10. Surrounding yourself with winners. The company you keep can significantly influence your path to wealth. It's said that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you surround yourself with winners, with people who have a positive mindset, who are driven, and who are successful, it rubs off on you. Their habits, their way of thinking, their approach to challenges, all seep into your own life, inspiring you to strive for greatness. It's not about comparison, but about learning and growing through the influence of others. Sign 11. Managing emotions. In the world of finance, emotions can be a dangerous game, often leading to impulsive decisions and regrettable outcomes. Those on the path to wealth learn to manage their emotions, maintaining a logical and analytical approach to their financial decisions. They understand that every financial move should be calculated and thought through, not dictated by the highs and lows of emotion. Now, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. We've walked through 11 signs that money might be coming your way. They range from questioning the status quo and setting financial goals, to surrounding yourself with winners and managing your emotions. Each sign is a piece of the puzzle, contributing to a mindset and lifestyle that paves the way for financial success. Remember, wealth isn't about luck or fate. It's about mindset, strategy, and action. If you identify with these signs, it's an indication that you're already on the right path. You're aligning your life with the principles of wealth creation, and you're positioning yourself for financial success. If these signs resonate with you, you're likely on your way to financial success. Achieving financial freedom is a process, and recognizing these signs in yourself means you're on the right path.